I know what you're wondering. Why is this set up in front of me? Because, the Romans are making a chariot. If you know those, what do I say again? Well, if you know, then you can tell me in the comment section because I don't remember. But we're going to be making a chariot today. It's going to be so fun. And if you want to make one too, this is the video to learn how to make one. And we have all the things you will need here. So let's hop in. Here is the stuff we will need. We will need scissors, we will need glue, we will need a cup, we will need a plate, and they have to be paper only. We will need a wire, we will need a bangle, we will need 2 barbecue sticks, we will need a red marker or any kind of marker, and we will need brown paint. And that's all you need for this craft. Next, you mark the cup, you underline it with your red marker all the way around. As you have seen, I've already done it all the way around, and then you cut it out. After cutting, it will come like this. And if you need help with scissors, ask a parent to cut this out for you. After, take your paper plate and get the bangle and write straight round lines all around it. As you see, I've already done that, and now we have to cut it out. Now you cut these circles and this is how they come out. Now you paint your stand and these two in brown. Now let's begin painting. They will come like this. So here you take the barbecue stick and you have cut it whichever length you want, and then take this wire and then you cut it up to here, and then you make it into a horse saddle. We've cut the barbecue stick and we've used the wire and we've made the shape we need. So now the next step is, then you take the wire and you put it back like this, and then you glue it like this, how a horse saddle would be. Time to glue the wheels to the main, I don't know what it's called, but now let's glue it together. Attach and then wait for it to dry. Then get a marker, a black marker, and draw lines so it looks like wheels. And then last and foremost, you can decorate it with gems like this. It's totally optional, so if you want you can, or you can leave it like this. Now we have finished the chariot race. You can see the horses. They will go this way, and then the people here will stand up this way. Now if you like my chariot, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye my dear friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.